Hi everyone and welcome to Maddie's Corner. So today I'm a little bit too late. I got my Sephora Play box, I think sometime last week. I don't remember when exactly, but this is what the box looks like. And of course I already opened it, but I have not tried out the stuff or anything. I don't think it's a trial. This is mostly beauty. And I'm like so happy because let me tell you, all the stuff that I have is running low. So it came today like this Sephora Play, and it's in red. It's cute. And so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'm just gonna put my hand in, and it's so Sephora Play. We all don't know it. It's $10.81 with free shipping, and I'll go ahead and leave a link below so you can know where to sign up for that. The first thing that I got is let me show you. It comes, of course, with this 2018. It looks like this, okay, and then you open it up and it looks like this, and your points that you get to use when you go in store when you purchase, and then it talks about all the stuff that you get right here. So let's go ahead and get started. The first item that I got was a Briogeo Rosarco Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protecting Cream, and I don't use anything hot on my hair, so I'll probably keep this for a giveaway, and it looks like that. The next item that I'm going to put my hand in, let's see what I get. The next one that I got, let's go ahead and take a look here so I won't have to be reaching ridiculously, this is Witch Wild Rose Oil, and we all know that vitamin C is good, so it's a good size, so I'm happy about this because I completely ran out of vitamin C. And it's good for the darkening of the skin. It helps with scars after a prolonged period of use. So I got that. The next thing that I got was a probiotic gel moisturizer, squalane probiotic gel moisturizer, and it looks like that. And then let me take a look, and this is what it looks like. And let's go ahead and open it. The smell's not bad. It looks like that. And that's going to be good for the face. And it tells me right here, it says this is a hydrating gel that uses 100% plant-derived ingredients for brighter, balanced skin. Why it's good? It's why it got the goods. The super light moisturizer calms redness, minimizes appearance of pores, and improves hydration for a dewy and ultra gentle bonus. It's fragrance free. So that's what that does. So I'll go ahead and let me get for the next product. And I am so happy about that. I got the Tarte Clay All Day, and it's a soft silky powder blush in this, and this is from Sephora. It's a Sephora exclusive, and I got it in Party. Let me show you what the shade looks like. So let's see how this would look. I'm gonna dab some. Well, let's see. I already have some blush on, but it looks like it's gonna be a good color. I'm not sure if you can tell it right there, but once I try it on, when I plan to do a makeup tutorial, and I plan to incorporate that one. So let me go ahead and dig in next to the box. What do we have here? It is a Tarte little lipstick, and this is Marine Streak, and it looks like this. It's a pretty color. Not sure how it's gonna look on me. I'm already wearing one, so I don't, but what we can go ahead is swatch it. So it looks like a nice color. I'll have to definitely test that out to see how that goes. And then the next thing and last thing that I have here is, this is a Algenist, and it looks like this. And what this is the vegan. This is the vegan collagen based serum that visibly restores skin suppleness and resilience. Now, who does not want collagen? And smells like rosy. It smells really nice. This is what it looks like. So this is gonna be really good. I definitely plan to use that. So this is all the goodies that I got from Sephora. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you have any questions, please ask. I'm gonna ask you if you can all please like, subscribe, and support my channel. And thank you all for watching. Bye.